Do you think that God created you to limp through life? I recently spent some time on a farm where there were horses, and I think a lot about other creatures, about other creations that God has made, whether it's a cow or a horse, maybe a bird. And these animals, they're born and immediately they're able to run, they're able to fly, they're able to fight and to fend for themselves. But us as humans, we know that it takes a baby maybe a year and a half in order to even just take their first few steps. And we are born with these beautiful brains and such creative imagination, but it means that we stay children for longer. But the risk of that is that we have this incredible amount of potential, but we also have so much potential to waste that potential, to stay a child, to stay a baby, to stay dependent. And I've met and I've spoken to so many men who are still stuck. They are still stuck in this feeling of mom or dad or my brother or my boss or my friend is going to come and save me. And there is only one man who can save you, and he already has saved you if you allow him to enter your heart and you realize that it's not about being a dependent child. It's about picking up your own cross, picking up your own inadequacies and taking responsibility for yourself and your health so that you can lead not just yourself, but also inspire those around you. And I feel like there are so many dads out there, so many father figures who are battling poor health. Maybe they're battling heart disease or diabetes or obesity, and they feel like they've been given up on. And they feel like no one has their back. But that's the wrong way to view it. You should view it that by you not taking action, you are turning your back on your family and you are giving up on your family. So pick up your cross, face the mountain, and just know that you are beautifully and wonderfully and fearfully made, and that the Creator has a plan for you. If only you could get past the miscommunication that the enemy plants in your mind, maybe then you will see the stairway that leads you up, and it leads you out of the poor, unhealthy, painful place that you're in.